Hello everyone, it's Sherry here from Inspired by Fitness, and today is day number 4 or 5 of our foam rolling challenge. So this past week we rolled out our neck, our upper back, we did our hips, we did our quads, we did our hamstrings, we did our calves, we did a whole bunch of different places. One place we haven't targeted yet is our triceps. So today we're going to focus on our triceps, and we're going to do also a pectoral stretch as well. So if you haven't had the pleasure of rolling out your triceps before, we're going to get right to it, okay? So grab your roller. I got my mat down here. All right, here we go. So meet me down on the mat. I'm going to lay down here on my side. I have my roller. So my triceps, the back of the arms, what I'm going to do with my hands is I'm going to keep my hand up towards the ceiling. I'm going to rotate the hand in forward and then also down to the ground, and then lastly back up to the ceiling. Okay, so I'm going to have my roller here. I'm going to start with the roller on my forearm, other hand in front. Deep breath in, exhale. I'm going to roll down towards the armpit and then pulling myself back up and rolling down and out. Okay, sometimes when we're rolling, especially the tricep, the roller can get away from us a little bit. So we may just need to adjust that roller into the proper place. Okay, so here we go. Palm to the ceiling, rolling out towards the armpit. All right, and now I'm going to turn my hand, turning my hand forward. What this does is it just focuses on rolling out a different part of the tricep, a different head of the tricep. Okay, now turning our palm towards the floor. Same thing. So depending upon what exercises you have done this past week, different parts or heads of the tricep might be a little bit more tender. All right, and then turning the hand one more time back up to the ceiling. So this is a great way to target all parts of the tricep. All right, that's it. A few more times. Nice. Good. Okay. Woo! What a treat that was. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a pectoral stretch, so a stretch for the chest using our roller. So we're going to take our roller down on the ground, and we're going to be on an angle here like this. There we go. All right, so my left arm is on the roller, and I'm going to have a 90-degree bend in my arm, hand on the roller. All right, my right hand is going to come under my shoulder. I'm going to keep my chest on the floor. So instead of lifting the chest, I actually keep it down. And then what I do is, arm is at 90 here. I keep my left arm down, my chest down, and then I take my head and I look over my right shoulder at the ceiling. Again, you don't want to lift the chest. You want to keep it low. And all you do is look at the ceiling and hold. Okay? So as you do this and you hold that stretch, you're going to feel a big stretch across the pec muscle here. You may need to adjust this arm. So the arm that's on the roller, you may need to move the roller up or roll it down, depending upon where you feel that stretch. It shouldn't be into the shoulder, it should be into the pec. And then as you're looking up and just holding, you're going to feel that good stretch there. Okay? Back down. Lift and hold. Keep your chest low and just hold. Good. So what the roller does is it just creates a greater range of motion. So you have a little bit further stretch than if you were just to try to do it on the floor. Okay? Okay. So obviously we would roll our tricep on the other side and do the pec stretch on the other side as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. Today, day number 4, we have day number 5 tomorrow, and that's it. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.